Finding the best fishing gear can be such a long task, especially since you have to pick through many choices in the market. Fish Finally is here to make your job easier. We've put together this list of the 10 best choices. We've tested each and every one of them to really make sure you're getting the best. Our list of recommendations carry only the best products of the bunch and give you a clear idea on key features. To know more about each of these, you can always check out the links we've put in the description box. Let's dive in.
While fly fishing is a little challenging to learn, it's guaranteed to give you the best experience surrounded by nature. Fly fishing rods differ from spin casting or bait casting rods, and you must pick them carefully. Our guide video on the 10 best fly fishing rods has all the choices you could hope for. We've included several types of fly fishing rods, so pay attention and pick the one best suited for your needs. If you are using any of the fly fishing rods, then what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments.
Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 10. Temple Fork Outfitters Fly Fishing Rod. Do you want to buy a fly fishing rod for yourself? Try not to stress. Here are the best fly fishing rods sitting tight for you. This Temple Fork Outfitters fly fishing rod is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. It comes with medium fast and progressive action rods that are smooth casting and powerful. It is very forgiving and is an incredible value. Lefty says they are the perfect rods for all anglers and skill levels. The traveling anglers can afford to take them as a backup but often return with a new favorite. This fly fishing rod includes matte black finished blanks and subtle gold logos. They feature alignment dots color coded by line weight, premium grade cork with burl accents, and oversized stripper guides. New anodized reel seats with braided carbon fiber inserts make these rods as forgiving on the eyes as they are in the hand. Each rod comes with an attractive logoed rod sock, so you can add our optional tube or customize your own. Number 9. Goture Fly Fishing Rod. Are you searching for the best fly fishing rod for your ordinary use? The Goture Fly Fishing Rod is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. It makes certain to carry a grin to your face. This fly fishing rod comes with a high balancing performance. It is constructed of a 30+36T carbon fiber blank. It makes the rod at least 20% increase in strength and at least 20% lighter in weight significantly. This Goture fly fishing rod has a customized burlwood handle insert in the reel seat. It provides a high balancing performance rather than an aluminum insert like other brands. It features a 4WT slow action that is suitable for small trout and sunfish in small streams. The 5WT medium action is suitable for general trout in larger streams and rivers. And 7WT/8WT medium fast action suitable for bass and salmon in saltwater. This Goture fly fishing rod is super compact, all in 4 pieces, and very easy to save storage with a durable PVC rod tube. It is ideal for any beginners or fishing lovers, and also a great choice as a gift. Number 8. KastKing Fly Fishing Rod. If you are looking for the best fly fishing rod, then look no further than the KastKing Fly Fishing Rod. It is a great choice for you. These KastKing Emergence Fly combos are designed to help beginning fly anglers get started right. While the Emergence Fly combo is perfect for beginners, experienced anglers will also appreciate the quality and performance of this combo. This fly fishing rod comes with a 4-piece graphite fly rod. It has an aluminum fly reel, fly line, tapered leader, backing, 12 hand-tied flies, travel case, and the most important tools and accessories anglers need. It is available in 4 lengths and line weights and is sure to be perfect for your location in either freshwater or even saltwater fishing applications. The combo includes a high-quality, lightweight aluminum, large arbor fly reel with an extremely smooth disc drag. It is pre-spooled with a backing, weight-forward floating fly line, and the tapered fly leader is already attached. The reel of this fly fishing rod is size-matched for perfect balance with each line weight rod and is anodized with a rich black finish. Number 7. Piscifun Sword Fly Fishing Rod. Do you need the best fly fishing rod for your convenience? No pressure. The Piscifun Sword Fly Fishing Rod is the best answer to your concern. It is a standout amongst other fly fishing rods on the lookout. This fly fishing rod features a 4-piece 9-foot-long rod. It comes with an IM7 graphite design for durability, accuracy, and performance. It includes a machined aluminum reel seat with double lock rings for a sturdy reel attachment, ceramic stripping guide inserts, and chrome guides for smooth gliding fly lines. The 4-piece design makes the rod great carrying around equipment for all fly anglers. It is paired with a durable PVC rod tube, which offers great protection for your rod and portability. The white dots on the fly rod help you align the guides easily and accurately. This fly fishing rod has a half-Wells cork handle that helps to cast accuracy and avoids fatigue. Its full Wells enables the caster to apply the power for long casts to rods rated for line weight 7 and above. It is good for balancing the rod and offers comfort when playing with fish.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option that will not skimp on any desired features.
Number 6. Moonshine Fly Fishing Rod. Moonshine Rod Company manufactures a wide range of fly fishing rods that suit any angler. Among them is the Moonshine Rod Company The Drifter Series Fly Fishing Rod. Fly fishers who have had hands-on with any product by this manufacturer can confirm that they have good price points on all products to suit any budget. This fly fishing rod features a 4-piece rod. It is made from high-grade graphite and hardware. They are for smooth casting and great accuracy. The stiffness is great to allow you to shoot long distances. The balance between stiffness and softness makes the rod forgiving. This rod bends moderately at half length while the other lower half remains stiff. The upsides are an improvement in line control and accuracy levels. It comes with a burlwood reel seat that has anodized copper as the main material used on the hardware. It also has a high-grade AAA cork handle that is used to make the grip, which has burled ends. The handle is a good size to allow a good grip by anglers of all ages and skill levels. The rod set comes with a hard canvas case and an extra tip section. Number 5. Topfort Fly Fishing Rod. Whether you're battling trout, bass, or panfish, this Topfort fly fishing rod is going to give you a price catch. It comes with a complete starter package. It includes a 4-piece fly fishing rod with a free rod tip, a pre-spooled fly reel, 12 fly flies in the tackle box, a line nipper tool, forceps, and zinger, with a carrying bag that is designed for fishing lovers. These 4 sections of designed fly rods are made of carbon fiber. The Midflex IM8 graphite fly rod comes with a stainless steel stripper guide which reduces friction and heat. It's also made up of an adjustable CNC aluminum reel seat, which effectively avoids the loose swing phenomenon in fishing. The Western-style grip made with compressed cork trim rings helps to cast accuracy and avoids fatigue. This fly fishing rod also comes with a convenient zippered case that helps you carry everything when you go fishing. You will also receive high-quality 12 hand-tied flies, forceps, line nippers with a retractor, strike indicators, and split shot for use with subsurface flies. It is ideal for all-around flies fishing species such as trout, grayling, salmon, and other predatory fish. Number 4. Redington Fly Fishing Rod. This fly fishing rod comes with all 4-piece fly rods for easy transportation. It features a hard, Cordura-covered tube with internal dividers to protect the rod and an attached padded reel case to keep the reel conveniently attached to the rod and safe. The Redington fly fishing rod is a pleasant casting and very versatile fast-action design made with multi-modulus carbon fiber blanks for excellent accuracy and control. It comes with high quality and is great looking as well. It has a snake guide, and the machined aluminum reel seat features a matching saltwater-grade black anodization with laser-etched line weights for quick identification. These 4-piece fast-action fly rods for sale also feature convenient alignment dots for quick and easy setup. It also has a cigar grip handle. The reel of this rod set is made from sturdy cast aluminum. It also features a fully adjustable, smooth rule-on disc drag. The large arbor design of this fly fishing reel prevents line coiling and increases line retrieve rates. It includes a convenient bag to carry this rod set easily. Number 3. NetAngler Fly Fishing Rod. Do you need the best fly fishing rod for your ordinary use? The NetAngler fly fishing rod is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. It comes with a complete starter package. It includes one fly fishing rod with a free rod tip, one fishing reel with pre-installed fishing lines, one free backing for fly fishing tools, 16 fishing flies in the tackle box, 12 PCS Vivid Color flies, and one carrying case. This fly fishing rod also comes with 4 sections designed as a fly rod. The rods are made of carbon fiber that is durable and super lightweight. It has a smooth ring using a high-grade chromed stainless steel guide ring, which helps protect the fishing line. Its advanced guides reduce friction and heat to a bare minimum. The rod comes with a metal adjustable fishing reel seat. The texture is simple and firm. This fly fishing rod also offers a powerful butt section that provides the backbone needed for longer casts. The set features a die-cast super large arbor spool design. It is constructed of durable aluminum material. It has a 2+1 ball bearing system and a superior Teflon disc drag design. It is great for trout, small bass, crappies, and bluegill.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Sougayilang Fly Fishing Rod. The fly fishing rod from Sougayilang is one of the best fly fishing rods on the market. It features 4 sections designed for medium fast action fly fishing rods. The fly rods are made from carbon fiber that is durable and extra lightweight. It also has a metal adjustable fishing reel seat. The texture is simple and firm. The rod comes with a 7-inch Western-style grip handle. It is made with high-quality cork and compressed cork trim rings that help cast accuracy and avoid fatigue. The reel of this fly fishing rod set is made of a CNC machined 6061 T6 aluminum alloy. It has a larger CNC hollow design, making the reel lighter than ordinary ones. The reel comes with 2+1 ball bearings and a 1:1 gear ratio. This combo includes everything that you will need to start fly fishing. It has a convenient zippered case that helps you carry everything when you go fishing. It also has a killer freshwater fly reel for multi-species fisheries in rivers, lakes, streams, and creeks. It is ideal for all-around flies fishing rod species such as trout, grayling, salmon, and other predatory fish.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. Wild Water Standard Fly Fishing Rod. The standard fly fishing rod by Wild Water is what some anglers prefer, and for a starter combo. It's good to buy a set that has a rod and reel, line, and a fly box with an assortment of flies. In that regard, this fly fishing combo is the best fishing rod and reel combo for the money. The fly fishing rod comes with 4-piece rods in a set. The length of this rod is 9 foot. It has slow action and IM8 graphite. It also has a machined aluminum reel seat with double lock rings and a laser-etched butt cap. This rod comes with a 7 inches long Western-style cork handle with compressed cork accent rings. The weight of this rod is 4.4 ounces. It includes a reel, which has an 85 mm diameter spool, die-cast aluminum, and adjustable disc drag. This fly fishing rod is designed with a 32 inches hard tube case with a reel pouch and a side storage pouch with a zipper. The case will hold the rod, reel, fly box, and all the accessories. It is best suited for trout, panfish, small bass, small to medium streams, ponds, and backpacking. Thanks for watching. Hope you have no doubts about the 10 best fly fishing rods on the market. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a suggestion in the comment box if you think we can do better.